Hello friend, welcome to Remote Sensing Sathi. Today I will show how to make buffer in ArcGIS software. For this you have to be open an image. After opening an image, then create save file. Go to catalog, first point, save file, give the feature style point and coordinate system. In buffer coordinate system must be in UTM projection. Okay, then go to Arc toolbox. First select analysis tool, proximity, from there buffer. So I can start editing, make the point features in map, create first, give input in point features, give the output path location, point buffer, two kilometer. Okay, it start run. You can see here I can remove this georeferencing image. You can see here the point buffer area is red, point area is green, so easy to be understand. I can zoom this. You can see here this is an buffer. I give this point in green color, and buffer area is red color. Okay, all the all the features are in same condition. Okay, this is the point buffer. And now line buffer. How to make line buffer? Line features, select the features type polyline. Coordinate system must be in UTM projection. Then okay. Then select buffer. Give input polygon line. Give the name line buffer. Output is 10 kilometer. Okay, then it start for running. You can see here this is the line and this is the buffer area of 10 kilometer. Now the time of polygon buffer. Okay, right click on shape file, create polygon shape file, select the features type polygon, and coordinate system must be in UTM projection. I cut random this area. Keep the input of polygon buffer, give the name, give the area of polygon 5 kilometer. Side file, you want to make overlap or full covered or hollow, you choose outside only, because the our buffer area outside can and the area must be visible. Okay, then select. Okay, it can start for running. Now you can show, this is the buffer, this is the polygon buffer. Now you can, in this video you can see, you can see point buffer, line buffer. In this video you can see point buffer, line buffer with its shape file. Here cannot visible the shape file. Point buffer, line buffer, polygon buffer. Okay, applying this process you can easy to be draw for buffer in any map, and it must have to be remembered, buffer shape file must have to be in UTM projection. Okay, thank you for watching video. Thank you very much.